double declining balance method of depreciation gives a greater amount of depreciation in the early years. When the asset is new, it's usually used more, and this method gives a greater expense in the time that it's actually being used. To calculate it, you take the straight line rate, which is 100% divided by the useful life. So if it was going to last 5 years, you would take 100% divided by 5 years, and you get 20% per year. Double it. So 2 times 20% gives you 40%. One of the differences with this is you start with the beginning book value instead of having the same amount every year or looking at the same book value each time. It's the beginning period. In this case, it was something worth $10,000, so 40% times the $10,000 would give you $4,000 in the first year. In the second year, it becomes a little bit different, and in each year after that, you start with the book value in the beginning was $10,000. Over here, beginning book value times 40%, so your depreciation expense is $4,000, accumulated is $4,000, and the book value is now $6,000. That $6,000 comes over here, and 40% of that amount is $2,400, giving you $6,400 total here and $3,600 here. 6,000 minus 24 gives you the 36. So again, you bring the 36 over, times 40%, $1,440 is your depreciation expense. Gets lower each year because your book value gets lower each year. Your accumulated depreciation increases and your book value decreases. 2160 times 40%, 864. So your book value is now $1,296. In the final year, you wanted to depreciate this to $1,000. The book value $1,000, accumulated $9,000. If you took 40% of $1,296, it would be too much, so you stop at $296 to bring your accumulated depreciation to the $9,000 and the book value to the $1,000. Never depreciate below salvage value.